Scotty.
I have a big blue hole.
That's.
Oh, no,
That's
wait.
what we've heard.
That's blue balls, not a hole.
Yeah.
See,
Anyway.
I knew there was something like that. Okay, so we got our new tires. All 4 are done and on.
And mounted. Looking good.
Yeah, it's going to be...
We're going to clean them up right before you pick them up, obviously.
Yep.
But hot damn.
Say hi, Andre.
Hi, Andre.
I have a big blue hole. I mean balls. Blue balls. Yeah, that's it, balls.
Did Papa Smurf get excited?
Yep.
Yeah. Sticky.
You
Anyway.
can tell he's not shooting as far because look at the...
Anyway, they're nice. Look at that. Deluxe Champion Firestone. Ooh. Wait till these are done. These are bitchin'.
Touch myself.
Oh, Andre, calm down.
I touch myself.
Yeah, she found feeling up her titties and she died of breast cancer. I'm like,
Go
all that
fucking
feeling
figure.
herself, you couldn't feel the lump? What the fuck?
That's why I feel my balls all the time.
Yeah, but you're a little past the age for testicular cancer.
No, I'm not.
Who fucks an oncologist?
Oh, yeah, you do. Never mind. Sorry, you would be the person to ask. Actually, I already...
Sorry. Hated it.
Hated it.
All right, anyway, we just want to let John know that his tires are mounted, and we're good.
Ooh, it's mounted.
Damn, Andre.
God.
You guys.
This is my
had to
shiny
do-
redhead.
I had to
He's
do it a
still
lot
pretty.
for porn.
Oh, Jesus. All right, and we're out. Oh, I missed the abuse on camera. Get him again.
Bastard. I wasn't gonna hit
That was
you.
almost my junk.
Dude, I know I know where a man's junk is, okay?
Yes, Andre definitely does. Anyway, tires are here. Tires are on. Woohoo!